Hello everyone, this video is for you. It's a daily video that tells you what zone we're in, what basic weekly plan we're working on, and reminds you of your routines. Take a look, you'll see that these three things are here. There may be some other things in there that may or may not relate to the time of year, but that's okay. Enjoy. Hello Fly Babies, it's me, your FlyLady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to help you learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Friday, and we have a 3-layer cake. The first layer of our cake is our 5 routines, our morning routine, which is followed by our children's morning routine, our laundry, which is happening in the background, so you're just going to put it in and let it wash itself. While it's doing that, our paper routine, which takes just a couple of minutes, only an inch, and then later in the day, our after dinner routine, and then before bed routine for yourself and your children. Usually yours is second. Unless you're exhausted, do yours first. Okay, that's the 5 routines, and you see how they plug into your day. The second thing we're going to do is our basic weekly plan. On Friday, that is car and purse day. So if you don't change purses, at least clean out the stuff in your purse and give your purse a good wipe down. A good idea is to change your purse if you have a hard time doing that and you have extra purses. Go ahead and utilize those. Everything will last longer and you'll look really cute and you'll feel really special with a different purse. And the last thing is to clean your car, and that's just to go, shake the mat, make sure there's no trash in the car. All the things that don't belong in a car are out of the car. And this also might be a day you choose to put gasoline in the car. It might be a day that you choose to run it through the car wash. It's up to you. But a lot of people just go out and shake the mats because there's nothing left to do. Because once you start doing this on a regular basis and you're aware of the junk that your family is bringing into the car, you'll start making them take those things out, and you'll start making yourself take things out that you bring in, setting a better example, and before you know it, there won't be much to clean. All right? Okay, that's what you're going to do. Now, if you're working, you can do that on your lunch hour. You can go out to the car on your break or your lunch hour with your little Walmart bag and clean out the trash. And in the second Walmart bag, bundle up everything that's not supposed to be in there so when you get home you can take it in. Then for your purse, you can't dump it out in the coffee break area, but you can certainly dig through it and pick out the gum wrappers and the old Kleenex and things that don't belong in there you can be aware of, maybe even put them in a Walmart bag, ball them up and stick them back in there so when you get home that can get put away too, okay? And then when you get home, give your purse a wipe down. At least wipe your purse down if you don't change purses. All right, then we're going to go on with our zone, and we're in zone 5, the living room. This is the last day of this zone for this month. So do one thing in your living room if you don't have clutter. If you do have clutter, pardon me, whether it's clutter you can see or it's unseen clutter, don't forget about the closets, about the drawers, about that little hidey hole, wherever you hide things. Those things also have clutter. Throw away, put away, give away. And once all those things are done, and you also remember that anytime you declutter something that's been cluttered for a long time, it's vulnerable for daily mindless clutter. So those clutter checks are very important to prevent the clutter from coming back in. Think of it like an open wound and the clutter as dirt. So you don't want dirt to get on an open wound. It'll cause an infection. So we don't want an infection of clutter in this room anymore. So we're going to let it heal by training ourselves to not put things in there mindlessly, and also reminding our family of the same thing. Again, this is not an accusatory type of thing. This is just, oops, look what we've done. Look what I did. Look what I left here. Look what you left here. Let's help each other not do this anymore. Run, go put yours up, and I'll go put mine up, because we want this place to look great. Okay? All right. So when you're working, when you come home, you're going to do your laundry, you're going to do your inch of paper, you're going to start supper. While supper is simmering on the stove or holding, you're going to work in your living room for 10 minutes if it's a deep clean thing, or for up to 15 minutes decluttering, and then completing the process by throwing it away, or putting it in the giveaway spot, your trunk or the back of your car. All right, now then you also, if you work, probably have that last item of basic weekly plan that needs to be, weekly home blessing hour that needs to be done. And so either it's you or it's the person you delegated it to. Please inspect what you expect. Don't forget that when somebody doesn't choose to do the job you have given them, then then they have chosen a consequence. All right? Okay, that's not a fun part of life, but it's a required part. Just like it's not really fun to change a dirty diaper. Things have to happen or it's going to be catastrophe. Okay, so you have to give consequences and realize that that's the child's choice, not your choice for them. You would have chosen for them to do this simple little job instead of lose their phone for the whole next day and tonight, because they're going to give you a fit. And you know what? It's not your fault, so I don't want you to take it personally. They have to know that that was the choice that they made. Okay? All right. We're going on with more. It is date night. So we're going to have our after dinner routine and our before bed routine for the children. You may be going out for dinner, I don't know, but you're going to go in there and get yourself ready for your date. So you're going to do before date routine. What does that mean? Freshening up your makeup a little bit, freshening up your hair, maybe putting on a little scent, maybe changing your jewelry, maybe changing your blouse. You know, you don't have a lot to, it won't be bad. Maybe you're going in a t-shirt and jeans. It doesn't matter. Maybe your date's on the couch. As long as it doesn't involve the children, it's a date. All right, so enjoy your date night and enjoy your evening. And then don't forget that tomorrow is Family Fun Day. Excuse me, if you work as a payroll flybaby outside the home, there may be some things that you didn't get to this week. Try to practice doing them every day so that on Saturday you don't have so much to do. But those things are going to happen Saturday morning. So Saturday morning you're going to get up, do your morning routine, put your children through their routine, and then you're going to involve the children in these processes so we can get them done. And everyone realizes that this isn't Mama's house. This is our home. And so we all work together to make it look great. All right, that's it for today. I hope you have a fabulous Friday. And always remember that you are beautiful. I hope you enjoyed that, and I know that you're going to have a great time in your house today. Remember to focus on getting it done first, fast, make it fun, and get it finished. Complete the process, and don't let those little things bug you that you see that are for future dates. Use your planner, and always remember that you are beautiful.